Manisha, how important and needed is development? Also, how do we achieve as an individual?
Ms. Gunjan, that's a very nice question. And how Aruna ma'am also said that we don't have expression of emotions. We all have emotions, but we don't know how to express them. So just before I say about this, I would like to ask one question to everybody who is attending this webinar. How many of you said, I love you, mama, or I love you? Have you ever said that to your parents? Or had they at any time, did they say that? Yeah, very few of us.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
It's not that they did not love us or we did not love them or we don't love our. It's not that way. But very few of us said that we love you. Okay. So I think in Indian society, expression is encouraged. We all have emotions. We get angry very fast. We are disappointed. We fall in love. We do everything. But we are not allowed to express it because society क्या बोलेगी, right? So I always say दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग? लेकिन हम इस mindset के बाहर आते हैं. That is the day we start expressing ourselves. So I am a metaphysical parenting coach also. Metaphysical parenting is spiritual parenting. That is beyond physical and psychological parenting. So I encouraged my children with everything. Like I was very vocal with them. So are you disappointed? Are you angry? Are you happy? Why are you happy? So first of all, they understand that these are the words, these are the emotions associated with something. So you have to express yourself to your children. Then they learn how to express them. When I was in teens, I am bred in a joint family. My bade papa, mummy, and we all grew up with our children. So my elder cousin used to tell me कि मनीषा अगर कोई भी लड़का तुम्हारी तरफ आंख उठा के देखे तुम ना उसके हाथ पैर तोड़ दूंगा. I said और अगर मैं देखूं तो he laughed. He said, okay, अगर लड़का अच्छा है तो I will support you in that. So this is also like, girls don't go and girls never propose. Okay. So that is also one emotion. So we have to come out of that mindset that both genders are allowed to express their emotions. So in our family, I will tell you, I have two beautiful daughters. And the elder one is doing final year BS and the younger one is in second year humanities BA. So still have that cuddle time. Whenever we are very busy, we out just 2 minutes or 5 minutes to cuddle. And that is a must for us. It's like breathing. So if somebody stops that for me, I'm dead. So that thing still goes. And we often talk about it. How many girls of your age or how many mothers of my age do this with their young daughters? And why not? Touch has something miraculous. Love has something miraculous. Then why shouldn't we express it? We also say कि क्या लड़कियों की तरह रो रहा है? Why boys cannot cry? In my meditation class, there is one meditation to everybody. Like I have women, men, everybody coming to my classes. There is one meditation in which we remove emotional baggage. We carry so much load on us, like, on our shoulders, which is invisible. So in that meditation, each and everybody has died till date, irrespective of whether they are males or females. And I encourage them to cry. And some people cry like this, because they have so much of load on their shoulders. After that meditation, you can see that radiance on their face. Because they were men. They were never encouraged to cry. They were never encouraged to talk about their problems. Because man है तो उसको तो सब पूरा शक्तिशाली बन के ही सब कुछ करना है. I am sorry. In my family, we encourage, we sit together, we talk, what made me happy, what did not, that way. If there is anger, if there is frustration, we discuss it out. क्योंकि anger क्यों आता है? When there is something, we keep burying things. ये जो हमारा attitude है कि चलता है. So चलता नहीं है. We have to come out of that mindset as well. Everything नहीं चलती है. जो नहीं चलता है वो नहीं चलता है. जो wrong है वो wrong है. एंड ये एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए हमको सबको अपॉर्चुनिटी, इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी, कोई मेन विमेन मैं कभी नहीं बोलूंगी, ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन शुड गेट दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू एक्सप्रेस देमसेल्व्स। और अगर जब अंदर खाली रहेगा सब कुछ, सिर्फ प्यार भरा रहेगा, तो प्यार ही तो दे पाएंगे आगे, बिकॉज वी गिव दैट वी हैव। अगर हमारे वाइब्रेशंस पॉजिटिव हैं, इफ आई एम हैप्पी, आई स्प्रेड हैप्पीनेस अराउंड। If I'm angry and frustrated, then in everything you can see that I don't need to shout, but you can see that in my demeanor. So it is that way. Expression is a must. अब वो बिल्कुल बचपन से, छोटे बच्चे से सिखाना चाहिए, और घर के बड़ों ने भी इस बात का ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि हम कैसे बिहेव कर रहे हैं, अपने बच्चों को, अपने बाकी लोगों को हम क्या दे रहे हैं। I think these are my views.